Good morning. I'm about to take a look at my closed form and teapots that I threw the other day. I was going to work on them yesterday, but had to stay home so that our fridge could get repaired. Brand new fridge, by the way, bought it in July, and the fan stopped working, so that was fun. Only took us about a week to get it fixed is all. Anyway, so I'm a little bit nervous that everything has dried out too much for me to work with. I did cover it in plastic, but okay, so they're still at the kind of the softer end of leather hard. I think we should be fine, except for that little spout back there in the corner might be a little bit too dry. He's meant to go on this guy. Yeah, that one's not gonna work. Who is fine. In fact, I should be able to trim them today, but I'm going to have to keep the lids and the spouts really well covered so that we don't dry out too much to work with. Anyway, you saw me throw that guy. I made a video of that yesterday while I was unexpectedly at home, so you saw me throw that guy. He's going to be turned into an elephant. His head is a little small, so we'll see how it all goes. But let's get these babies out. Okay, so as I suspected, this guy is more on the hard end of leather hard. So I'm going to give him a soak. Give him a little bit of a spa treatment here, just by spraying him down with some water and sealing a bucket over him. And it's not as cold as it usually is in here, so maybe we'll actually be able to soak him for a little bit. If not, it's not a big deal. I'll just throw another little spout for this guy right here. He actually also is a little bit on the harder side, but he's actually going to be good to trim today. So first things first, I'm going to pull a handle for him, and then I will get to trimming. Yeah. Play. This piece of my sieve. Gross.